What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. You can see where I'm at, man. Let's go. Here at the outlet early again, as always. Well, actually, first time getting here early. Gotta be discreet at this one. Last time I was here, they told me I couldn't film for some reason. East LA said I couldn't film, which was kind of crazy. I don't know why. I'm not doing anything harming anybody. What are these? Okay. Not bad. What do you guys think about these? A lot of people do like them. Some people think they're trash. We got them here at the outlets already. That's pretty fire. What size is this? 8? 8? I'm gonna let things record and I'm gonna check them out as I can. Seen some stuff here pretty cool though. Okay, so we've seen these reacts before. These are one that change color. What do you think about those in the comment section below? So they got these Kobe's that are now in the stores. They got, what's this size? 8 also at the outlets. Oh. What else is going on? Oh, the remixes. LeBron 16 remixes already here, size 9.5. Can't go wrong with that. They got a lot of pair of these right here. Okay. What is this? Vapor Max Plus. This colorway is not too bad. These are like the smaller sizes that I am, but I know a lot of you guys probably wear 9 and 8s and stuff like that. So I'm showing them. Air Max 95s. What are these? This is definitely different. Cop Pass, Fire or Trash. Looks like some type of newer model Hirachi. What does it say on the box? Okay. Never seen that before. Got these Kobe's also. A lot of these things, like I said, you guys see them in store now. They got them here on deck already in the outlets. Already here in the outlet, bro. Utility, already here on deck. I'm not mad at these either. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I think this shit was pretty dope. I think it looks good and bad at the same time. What's the consensus on this? How many people actually like this or not? I'm not too sure myself. Got here early before the crowd got here, so able to kind of go through some of the stuff and just see what's going on, you feel me? Okay. LeBron 16 4 Horsemen on deck. This is definitely something already in the stores. Pretty dope. Cop Pass, Fire or Trash. Got the 4 Horsemen on deck already at the outlets. That's what happens, bro. That's how it goes down. Got all kinds of stuff. Hirachi's on deck. You know what I'm saying? Legacies. Nobody's really feeling the legacies, I feel. What are these? Some type of, this is a special edition, I believe. I forget what this one is actually called. What do you guys think about this Air Force One in the comment section below? Cop Pass, Fire or Trash? Getting here early, you get your own pick of the litter. You get to take your time and look through the stuff and just see what's going on. We got some more 4 Horsemen on deck. Some of these vape 720s. What about these Nike Reacts? These Element Reacts are pretty dope, man. What do y'all think about those in the comment section below? Cop Pass, Fire or Trash on these? These colorways are crazy though. These 97s are crazy though too. Seeing these things here, I think we seen them in an outlet a while ago, but that was like in Santa Clarita. So now we see them here at East LA. Cop Pass, Fire or Trash on these. Not mad at those at all, bro. They always have good shoes. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen when I go further down the line. Okay, those are not bad either. Tell me what you think. Dante Legacies, like the rookies, rookie Jordan 1s. Okay, we got Presto Reacts on deck already. Size 11.5 though. Presto Reacts for those of you guys out there feeling these shoes. I mean, if this is a surprise, let me know. Can't say I'm surprised to see these here though. I mean, the outlets get everything early, especially East LA, Santa Clarita. They always get this stuff early. I definitely recommend you come check it out. Get some Jordan golf shoes. That's really great for retail arbitrage. You know what I'm saying? We got the Jordan 1 Couture still here on deck. Not bad, bro. Kobe Pro Tros, we see them all day. Let me see something that we haven't seen here. If I see something that I haven't seen here, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. Seeing them Full Horsemen all day, and then these new Kobe's here all day. These are fire. I'm surprised they're at the outlets. I caught it that time. You see how I did that? I caught it that time. These little ledges are so small, you can easily fall and drop a shoe. I do it like almost every time I hoop. I mean, every time I come here. I do that at least one time or not. Air Max Deluxe. Well, TNs with the deluxe upper. Not feeling those really. And some Legacies in that colorway. Pretty crazy. Okay, what's going on? How are Rockets still here? Rockets are still on deck. 30% off today. What do you guys think about golf shoes? Whoa, that's a pretty big size of golf shoe. Almost looks like an SB golf shoe or something like that. Usually 13 is the size for me. Don't see too many things standing out. They still got these things here in a size 18 Jordan 1 Mid Pine Greens, bruh. Let me know what you guys think though. We're gonna go over some of the aisles and see what else is going down there. KD 12 on deck. The newest model for KD on deck already. Are you guys surprised to see this at the outlet? Yes or no? If you guys actually own a pair of the KD 12, if I said 11, excuse me. If you guys own a pair of the KD 12, let me know how you guys like them on the court. These Cortez, what do you guys think about those in the comment section below? $90, not too bad. They got them in a few colorways, 54 or $59 for 60 bucks. These two colorways are not too bad. I don't know. Hirachis, classic Hirachis, only 44 bucks, used to be 130. Are they still selling like that? So I saw somebody recording here, so maybe it's not that bad. So I'll try and be still discreet, but still get my opinions in there. Hopefully you guys are having a great day and enjoying the video. If you are, smash the like button, you dig. These right here are pretty cool. What do y'all think about them? We've seen them in many colorways, $69 only. Then you got these right here, these bright orange ones with that 3M hitting. That 3M is pretty dope. That orange colorway is fire. I just couldn't do it myself. What do you guys think about them in the comment section below? They got a pretty good size run of them if you ask me. You know what I'm saying? They got a lot of different things here. I hate that I have to be so discreet about it because it's like they don't want people to record no more here for some reason. Reacts on sale. We're suggested 130, but they're not 130 here. What's the price? Is it 74 like you see right here? Let me know what you guys think. This colorway is pretty crazy too. They got like 3 different colorways. Which one do you guys like the most out of the 3 that are here? I would have to go probably with the blue one. Some of these on deck, I was never really a fan of these at all, but maybe you might be. They got them on sale for $159. Should be a lot cheaper than that though. Should definitely be a lot cheaper than that. Another one. This is probably my favorite colorway of the Dynasty Legacies. That black and gold, that patent leather is pretty fire. Let me know what you guys think about those. $79 as opposed to $150. Oh, you know, this is heaven right here. Kyrie's, and more Kyrie's. Heaven, 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 heaven. Heaven, 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 heaven. You guys might ask, what Kyrie is this that they have? Let's go ahead and see. It is 10 and a half. They don't have a 13, but they do have these. I'm surprised to see these at the outlets already. That's pretty crazy. The cookies and cream, 130 retail, so they're retail. But it's, up here it says 109 for these, so is it 109 with 30% off? What do you guys think about these, man? Top pass, fire, or trash? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. More things to come. Go ahead and check out the gaming channel too. Gaming with Bossco and Bobby's World coming soon, you dig? Peace.